Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have Sharekhan special report, Q3 of FY2024 Result Preview. Modest growth, domestic themes to outperform. In Q3 of FY2024, we expect a modest year-on-year earnings growth of 11% for Nifty 50 companies, driven by domestic cyclical such as banks, automobiles, as well as capital goods, pharmaceuticals, cement, while IT and chemicals would underperform. EBITDA margins are likely to expand for automobiles, cement and metal sector, while those of IT, agri-inputs, speciality chemicals are likely to contract on a year-on-year basis. For the Sharekhan universe, we expect healthy 14% year-on-year earnings growth. Demand outlook in domestic, both urban and rural and export market after the festive season margin outlook and capex recovery would be keenly watched out for in management commentaries. Nifty valuation of 20 times FY25 estimated EPS is not cheap but not expensive either, given expectation of a 12 to 14% CAGR in Nifty 50 earnings over the next 2 years. Favorable macros, potential rate cuts, easing inflation, and policy reforms bodes well for equity. After a strong rally in the small and mid-cap space, we turned selective and preferred large caps. High conviction investment ideas in large cap space are HDFC Bank, SBI, L&T, Tata Motors, ITC, Tata Consumers, Sun Pharma, Tata Power, NTPC, IndusInd Bank, TCS, DLF, Lupin and Hero MotoCorp. High conviction investment ideas in mid caps are BEL, APL Apollo, Bharat Forge, Hindustan Aeronautics, Indian Hotels, Punjab National Bank, Bank of India, Sun of India, LTI Mindtree and CESC. High conviction investment ideas in small caps are Artemis Healthcare, Kirloskar Oil Engines, Rolex Rings, Sami Hotels, Volte Patil, Kaplan Point, CIE India, Garware High Tech, NIIT MTS, Birla Soft and Subros Limited. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.